Hey guys, so we're installing a FiTech fuel injection system on the 68 Camaro here, and I want to show you guys something that could run into a snag and could potentially be one of the issues why people have trouble when installing these injection systems. You can't just run power off of the positive side of the coil, and I want to show you why. Unlike a Chrysler that has a ballast resistor, GM has something similar, but it's hidden. So if we took this wiring harness apart, this is the main harness, this is down to the coil here. So inside the harness is this resistor wire. So there is actually a ballast resistor, but it's hidden inside the harness. So this is the black wire that goes to the positive side of the ignition coil. And as you can see, this is coming from the ignition switch. This is a resistor wire. It's hidden in here. It was taped up in here. There's a little lump of black rubber that's supposed to be on here. It wasn't in this case. So you got to watch out for that. If you're going to try and take 12 volts off the coil, you have to catch it before this. So you have to bear this back and you have to tap it in before here. Otherwise, you're not going to get 12 volts. You're going to end up getting about 9 volts on average. So just something to be aware of. I'm going to find a piece of, I think I'm going to put a piece of rubber hose over this to protect it again, because this does get hot. So we're gonna bear this harness back. We're gonna tap into that so that we can run our white wire for the FiTech fuel injection. This is the ignition on wire trigger. So we're gonna do that, and that should get us going. So just figured I'd give you guys a tip. We're plugging away slowly, but it was something that I saw in a wiring diagram. It's been kind of a challenge getting diagrams for a 68 Camaro without buying a book. So I did find a website. I'll drop the link for the website into the description for this video, and hopefully that helps somebody. This should help with any kind of fuel injection system, or even for multi-spark, you know, like an MSD box, whatever, that needs a solid 12 volts with ignition on. So hope that helps. Give me a like, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think, and thanks.